This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Helen Moro. Really well kept 1-bed condo in Section 1 with tile floors throughout, bath updated with new vanity, medicine cabinet, tile and grab bars. Water heater new in 2025. Cellar installed toggle switches, ceiling fans and repainted interior walls when moved in. Digital doorknob lock on front door plus deadbolt. Cellar will sell mostly furnished with exception of wall hanging in living room, night table in bedroom, and bookcase in FL room. Open patio with very private setting as view is trees and bushes. For more information, review the details below or contact Helen Moro at 772-979-1426.